In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make Facebook account completely private. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to go ahead and open up Facebook and then tap on menu down in the bottom right, or your profile down in the bottom right, and then select the three lines up in the top left to open up the menu. And you need to select settings and privacy and then hit settings just like so. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You need to scroll down on here until you see audience and visibility. So scroll down, you'll see audience and visibility just like so. And once you're on here, you need to find how people find and contact you. So open that up first. And essentially what you want to do is customize these settings. So go through each option and set them to the most private setting available, like only me, for example, or friends of friends. Also turn off the option that lets search engines outside of Facebook link to your profile. Then go back a few settings and you need to find post next. Open that up and you want to select who could see your future posts and put that to private, or set it to limit who could see, future posts or past posts. Do that on private as well. Essentially just go through once again and customize all these, put them to the most private settings possible. From here, go back and what you want to do is open up your profile and tagging next. And then once again, changes to the most private settings possible. Then what you can do is actually go back to your profile itself. And once you're on your profile, you can select these three dots just like so. And then what you can do on here is hit view as, and then view as like someone else. This is how they would see your profile right here. It'll tell you down in the bottom if it's private. Once again, I didn't actually change any of my settings because I'm keeping my, profile public, but that's the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.